Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're just going to be showing off a small example of pseudocode in action. Because we showed off all the individual pieces, such as selection, such as iteration, such as sequence. We haven't showed them off really in action. So we're just going to be showing off how to use pseudocode as a blueprint for a larger program and that kind of thing. Thank you very much. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. But especially comment and subscribe, because when you comment and tell me how you learn, it helps me make better videos for you and for myself and for anybody else. So other people learn better, but it also pushes these videos more, which is always nice because then more people learn. Thank you very much.